Hi all, welcome to Super Coders. So in this tutorial, I am gonna do some code fixes in our Django project. So basically it is some enhancement and some fixes we have to do in our code. So let's get started and let's do all these things. Now we need to handle this message in a common format, or you can say common way. So what I can do, just coming back to my code and opening the helper, and we are gonna render this custom message, or like you can say enhance this message. But also before that, let's do some more thing. So I'm gonna make the response common for every task. Like I want to make it response a common method, not like just passing the response and everything. So what I can do, define render response, then taking the pointer data, message and status. Default I'm taking as 200. After that, what I can do, if status status less than equal to, if status greater than equal to 200 and less than 300, I can simply return return response data in the data, message in the message, status in the status. Import this response, add, let's import the response. I think it is coming from REST framework dot response, import response. Save it. After that, else if is instance data dictionary. If the data is dictionary, what I can do, return response, then in the response passing errors data and message to message, status to status. Else I can simply return response errors, then data, message, status. And also I'm going to add one more condition. And if instance is list, then I can simply return the list. Otherwise it is not list, only a data, I can return this way. So I can handle this all three situations. But here in the dictionary, we need to convert the data to a list. So what I can do, parse dictionary to list. Let's create this method. So copy this, define parse this into this data. I can simply say values equal to empty array for key comma value in data row items, then value dot extend, append the value. So each time the loop will run and it will add all the items inside the value. So it is just like pushing the each value in the values. After that, return values. Save it. So that is done. Let's do what? I'm just gonna find all my response messages. So we are going to replace it. Response, and here are all the response. First it is coming from here. Helper method. Leave that. That is okay. It is also okay. That is also okay. Now the auth controller here, what I can do, render response. Let's import it, and here you can say data equal to email already exists. So here After that, passing the message equal to mail already exists. And that is okay now. Just copy the same thing here, paste it also here. Username already exists. Copy this again, paste it here. So also error, change this to provide both username, password and email. Pass this here in data, pass the in message, and status bad request, that is also okay. Remove that, copy this message again, and here just pass it also here. Data equal to I think in the sign up we don't need it, so let's leave that sign up for now as a default. Save it. Let's see other place also. Here also in login, change this also. Move this. Next again here, that is also okay. With that, here handle this. Invalid credential. Remove that also. So that copy this again, paste it here also. In this, please use post method to sign in or login. Just copy it, paste it also here. Remove that. So that when copy this, change it also here. Just copy it, paste it also here. Paste it also here. Again here. With this message. And paste in both places. It is also done. Remove this message, save it. Here in the dynamic form, just update it, return, render, response, data equal to model not exist, 404. Import this return render response. With this, paste it also here. Model not found. Model not found. Save it. Here also update this. Here it is data, and this is what our missing fields. Cut it. Validation error. $400. Copy this, change it also here. Error, and here this message, copy it, paste it here, also paste it here. remove this message. Let's see other. So here return render response data response JSON data saved successfully. Remove that. Copy this. Paste it also here, or just remove it. Return render response data model not found. Model not found. Move it. Copy this. Paste it also here. Model not found. Message model not found. Return render response. Let's see what is things. So return render response data equal to fields and message equal to form saved successfully. Now save it. So all the things has been replaced with our custom render response. The reason for making this render response, we can add some custom data in future if required. That's why I use the render response. So it is easy to maintain for all the places. Let's check it working or not. So back to Postman, and what I can do, just do login. There is something error in our server. If I click on terminal, Python, no module name backend. So what I can do here, if I check, is showing error in path controller. It is checking the wrong path. Save it. It is fixed. And just copy the token and try to access the API. So I'm trying to add success data, success token, send it, and it is working. You can see data with the message text, and you can get the array, same select. So that is working. That is what I expected. It is working now. Inside the data, we have all the things. Now undo the token or pass some invalid token. Here you can see it is showing authentication credential were not provided. If I again try to hit this API with this perfect token and try to access warehouse 1, click on send, and you can see it give me return in array, in errors, in array, model not found, and message. That is what I expected. It is working. So I fixed that also. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and please subscribe our channel. And if any question, please do comment.